Reliance had committed an investment of 5,000 crores in Assam. Since then, our investment in the state has exceeded 12,000 crores. In the coming years, Reliance will more than quadruple this investment in Assam to over 50,000 crores over the next 5 years in the following 5 priority areas. Our first priority is to make Assam tech-ready and AI-ready. Jio has made Assam not only 2G Mukt, but 5G Yukt. Reliance will establish an AI-ready data center in Assam. Our second priority is to make Assam a hub of clean and green energy. Reliance will build 2 world-class hubs of compressed biogas and CBG over wastelands in Assam. Our third priority is to help Assam become a major supplier of food and non-food consumer products to national and international markets. We will set up a mega food park which will add value to the abundant agriculture and horticulture produce of Assam. We have already set up a world-class bottling plant in Assam for our Campa Cola and Independence range of packaged drinking water. Our fourth priority is to double the number of Reliance retail stores in the state from existing 400 to 800 stores in the next 5 years. Our fifth priority is to boost high-end hotel and hospitality economy in Assam. Assam will build a luxurious 7-star Oberoi hotel in the heart of Assam. These 5 mega initiatives will also create tens of thousands of direct and indirect employment opportunities for the youth in Assam. I assure our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and the Chief Minister Sharma ji that Reliance will continue to remain a proud and dependable partner in this mission